I'm not actually getting any points.
You might be stood in the wrong place then. It's knackering, Chris.
Why is Zoe so out of rhythm?
Oh, you got to go lower.
Oh, this is fantastic, Jen. You have
I'm
to
not getting any points on mine. Why not?
I have to say, Pete is very good.
It's a bit like...
A bit too good, isn't it? Not D3 player then.
It's like having a proper rock band in the house.
That's excellent. Do you like it, Crew?
I'm not getting a points though. Who's which? I don't know who we are. I was the blue one.
I think Pete's a pink one. You're
Yeah, I'm